Artificial Intelligence, a video by Meredith Whaley. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science concerned with making computers behave like humans. This includes qualities like learning, reasoning, communication, seeing, hearing. There are two approaches to AI. Conventional, which is based on machine learning. It mimics human intelligence through a logic, symbol, manipulation, and statistics. For example, customer help or answering messages that have options. Computational is experimental and trial-error method. There are two other approaches to AI, and they are weak AI and strong AI. Strong versus weak AI. The weak systems that behave like humans. An example is IBM Blue program, which is an advanced chess playing program. Strong simulates human reasoning. They can think and explain how humans think. So far, there are no real-life examples of this. It is claimed that they can even be conscious of themselves. Researchers believe the secret is in nanotechnology. What does this mean to our culture? What does it mean for our culture? Areas of AI. Firstly, we have the expert systems, natural language processing, intelligent agents, pattern recognition, virtual reality and simulation devices, robotics, fuzzy logic, and neural networks, and artificial life. Expert systems. What is an expert system? An expert system is an interactive program that has expert knowledge in a particular field. An example would be microcomputers, mainframe computers, and MyScene, which help diagnose infectious diseases. How do expert systems get knowledge? First of all, we need a human expert with a lot of knowledge, perhaps a doctor. Second, we need a knowledge engineer, someone to program that knowledge. Thirdly, we need the components of an expert system. And last but not least, the user to interact with the product. So, knowledge base. Knowledge base is a database of knowledge about a particular subject, like relevant facts, beliefs, assumptions, information, and procedures for problem solving. Inference engine is a software that controls the search of the knowledge and produces conclusions, aka the code. User interface. The display screen lets the user interact with, like, ask questions, then the screen displays the answer/solution. Natural language processing. Natural language processing involves designing software that will analyze, understand, and generate human languages. It is the study of ways for computers to recognize and understand human language. For example, speech recognition. Intelligent agents. Intelligent agent is a software that assists people and acts on their behalf, allowing them to delegate work to the agent. It is a form of software with built-in intelligence that monitors work patterns, asks questions, and performs work tasks like roaming networks and compiling data. And other examples are message filters and recommendation features. Pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is the computer-based identification of objects and images by their shape, color, texture, temperature, or other attributes. It involves software that identifies recurring patterns in what it is seeing and recognize the connections between the perceived pattern and similar patterns stored in a database. For example, fingerprint recognition, handwriting recognition, and facial recognition software. Applications using facial recognition are Snapchat, virtual reality, and simulation devices. Virtual reality is an artificial hardware and software creates an environment that seems real and can be manipulated in real time. VR, a computer-generated artificial reality, projects a person into a sensation of three-dimensional space. VR can be used in many ways, as in games and simulators. Simulators are devices that represent the behavior of physical or abstract systems, for example, flight simulators and or other training. This is definitely growing big in the health department. Robotics. Robotics involves the conception, design, manufacture, and operations of robots, devices that perform human-like functions. Robots can be classified according to locomotion or application. It is the development and study of machines that can perform actions normally performed by living beings. There are two types of groups that robots can be divided into. Locomotion defines their shape. If they have wheels, if they can fly, if they are stationary, legged, swimming, rolling, micro, nano, soft elastic, etc. Example is a drone or a simple floor vacuum. Application. The application they are supposed to perform. Shape is not important. For example, they are robots to help in surgery or allow wearable machines so people can walk again. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic recognizes more than simple true or false values. It works with ranges and values, solving problems in a way that more resembles human logic. It is a method of dealing with imprecise data and uncertainty with problems that have many answers rather than one. Fuzzy logic is used to help focus the camera and cooking appliances, like cooking rice. Neural networks. Neural networks simulate the connections between nerve cells in the human body. It is able to simulate behavior of biological neural networks, as in pattern recognition, language processing, and problem solving. It is able to learn from example. They are used in machine vision, credit card fraud detection, and diagnosis of heart attacks. Artificial life. Researchers examine systems related to natural life, the processes and evolution, through the use of simulations with computer models, robotics, and biochemistry. What if this room was the future? Which brings us to the question: what is the future? And what if AI evolves? Would you consider it a human? Thank you.